Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Once again, we are back with one more newspaper article. Vaccine Zulassung für Kleinkinder beantragt. Vaccine, okay, this is the word we use in German. Vaccine Zulassung means permission. Vaccine permission for small children beantragt, application, apply. So there are some countries, especially in the USA. The USA, okay, it has been applied for the permission for small kinder, means vaccine permission for small kinder. So this is the news of 2nd February. BioNTech und Pfizer haben in den USA die Zulassung ihres Corona-Impfstoffs für Kinder unter 5 Jahren beantragt. Kinder unter 5 Jahren means children below 5 years. तो जो चिल्ड्रन बिलो 5 years के हैं यूएस में फाइजर और बायोटेक ये जो दो कंपनियां इन्होंने अप्लाई किया है अपनी कोरोना वैक्सीन के लिए कि जो चिल्ड्रन है बिलो 5 years उनको वैक्सीन दी जाए. तो these two companies have applied in the USA for the permission that their corona vaccine get approval. So they have applied for the approval. Zulassung means approval, permission. Here corona impfstoff vaccine for kinder below 5 years. So these two companies have applied in the USA for the approval of their vaccines, that these vaccines should be given to the children below 5 years of age. Sollte die Arzneimittelbehörde FDA zustimmen, könnten Babys ab 6 Monaten eine Impfdosis erhalten. Now see, sollten मतलब condition है. If Arzneimittel means there is an agency that gives approval, okay, to the companies. So if this agency FDA zustimmen means agree or give approval to these companies, then baby 6 months onwards get a first dose erhalten, they will receive. Erhalten means bekommen, receive. So if these companies get approval in the USA from FDA, it's an agency, then babies from 6 months onwards get vaccination. But there is a condition, if they get approval only. And who will give approval? FDA. Okay, this is called Arzneimittelbehörde. Medical agencies that give approval for the companies. Das deutsche Unternehmen BioNTech und sein US-Partner Pfizer haben in den USA die Notfalllassung ihres Corona-Impfstoffs für Kinder unter 5 Jahren beantragt. So German Unternehmen company enterprise BioNTech, this is German company, and its US partner Pfizer is a US company, have applied in the USA for the Notfallzulassung, emergency permission of their corona vaccine for children below 5 years. Impfstoff, vaccine for children unter 5 Jahren means below 5 years. So this vaccine should be given to 6 months baby from 6 months till 5 years of age. Die entsprechenden Daten seien der US-Arzneimittelbehörde FDA übermittelt worden, teilte Pfizer mit. Mitteilen is the verb, this is separable verb. Mitteilen means informed. Pfizer has informed that the entsprechenden Daten, the suitable information, entsprechenden, the appropriate information has been forwarded, übermittelt, forwarded to the FDA. So the information regarding this vaccination approval has been forwarded to the FDA. So teilte Pfizer mit, Pfizer ने बताया, Pfizer informs, Pfizer says, mitteilen to inform. Der Antrag solle in den kommenden Tagen fertiggestellt werden, and the application should be finished in the coming days. In den kommenden Tagen, coming days. Fertiggestellt, okay, it gets approved, it gets done. So this gets done. Fertigstellen is the verb. Fertigstellen, separable verb, to finish, get complete in the coming days. Kommenden Tagen, okay, this is Dative plural, in den kommenden Tagen. So antragen, beantragen is verb and der Antrag is noun, application. Okay. Die Notfallzulassung soll für Kinder ab 6 Monaten gelten. So this Notfall Zulasung, this emergency permission should be valid for children only 6 months onwards. Means जो 6 months से छोटे हैं उनको नहीं लगेगी, 6 months से लेकर 5 years तक के बेबीज को लगेगी. Galton है, valid है. So this is valid only for the children above 6 months till 5 years. S vere der erste verfügbare Impfstoff für diese Altersgruppe in den Vereinten Staaten. Vereinten Staaten USA को बोलते हैं Vereinten Staaten, United States. So if it happens, if these companies get approval for such babies, so it would be the first available vaccine for this age group in the US. S vere, it would be der erste verfügbare, the first available vaccine. Verfügbar means available. First available vaccine for this age group, Altersgruppe. Age group क्या है? 6 months से लेकर 5 years तक in the US. In den USA bereits zugelassen ist BioNTech Pfizer Prepared für Kinder ab 5 Jahren. USA में ऑलरेडी 5 years से अबाव बच्चों के लिए वैक्सीन का अप्रूवल मिल चुका है. ओके, बेराइट्स ऑलरेडी परमिशन इज हैविंग विद द कंपनीज बायोनटेक एंड फाइजर. फाइजर और बायोनटेक के पास ऑलरेडी अप्रूवल है यूएस में वैक्सीनेशन का फॉर चिल्ड्रन अबाव 5 years. फिर किंडर आप 5 Jahren. आप मीन्स onwards, 5 year onwards. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much. Please like this video. Write your comments in the comment section. Write your feedback. How do you find this kind of newspaper reading articles? I hope these are going to help you. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.